Hello and welcome to Mogers Solicitors Red File Guide to Divorce. This series of presentations is intended to give information but not specific legal advice on how the divorce process works. If you have any questions or would like us to help you with your divorce or any other legal matter, then please do not hesitate to call us. Part 2. How to obtain your decree nisi. Once your partner has replied appropriately to the court, then you can apply for the next stage in the divorce process, called the decree nisi. It is at this stage that the court will confirm that you qualify for a divorce. It is not the final divorce order itself, that is called the decree absolute, and you can apply for that 6 weeks and a day after the decree nisi. The purpose of the decree nisi is to put everyone on notice that, in the absence of anyone objecting within the 6-week period, that the court will proceed to decree absolute just as soon as the person who started the divorce process asks the court to do so. Applying for the decree nisi can be quite technical. You need to complete and swear or affirm the correct court form called an affidavit in support. There are specific rules concerning how certain questions have to be answered on this affidavit, and you will need to attach a copy of your partner's reply, called the acknowledgement of service, to the affidavit as evidence in support. There is also an additional court form that will need to be completed and filed together with the affidavit and supporting exhibit, and that is called the application for directions for trial. This will enter your divorce into a special procedure list, which means that your divorce will be placed into the court diary to have the decree nisi pronounced at some stage within the coming weeks. The court will write to you and let you know when that date will be. There is no court fee for this stage of the process, but you might have to pay a £7 fee to get your affidavit sworn or affirmed. Once you have filed all of the correct documents, then this will be considered by a judge at the court. It is he or she who will set the date upon which your decree nisi will be pronounced. There is no need, usually, for anyone to attend the declaration or the pronouncement of the decree nisi. A copy of your decree is then simply sent to you by the court with the date upon which it was pronounced. You will need to send to the court the following documents: the correct affidavit form, relevant to your particular divorce application, your application for decree nisi, and a copy of your partner's acknowledgement exhibited to your affidavit. Don't forget that you may have to pay a £7 fee to have your affidavit sworn or affirmed. Here at Mogers, using our Red File service, we can assist you in the following way. We can provide you with the appropriate form for you to complete and return to us to check, or alternatively, we can help you to complete that either in person or over the telephone. As indicated above, there are several technical responses, and this level of assistance is therefore recommended. We will then return a finalised version to you with a copy of the acknowledgement of service attached and details on how to get this document sworn and what you need to do to file it at court. What happens next? Well, once the court has considered your documents and assuming that all is in order, then the court will send you a date upon which your decree nisi will be pronounced. A few days after that date, you will receive a sealed copy of your decree nisi with the date upon it. It is from this date on your decree nisi that your 6 weeks and a day will commence before you can apply for the decree absolute.